Let's talk marinades, an easy way to flavor and tenderize economical cuts of meat. The easiest marinades exist in your pantry. Salad dressings, teriyaki, or barbecue sauces make meal prep a breeze. If you add fruit, you create an enzymatic marinade. Consider the tenderizing power of kiwi, pineapple, figs, or papaya. Add the entire fruit or the juice. But limit marinating time to 30 minutes for enzymatic marinades or risk meat getting mushy. Using a freezer bag ensures the meat gets fully coated and makes for easy cleanup. You could also use a takeout container. A classic marinade is easy to make with a few basic ingredients. Start with an acid like lemon, lime, or vinegar to help tenderize. A neutral oil like canola helps flavors to cling and aids in browning. Then any variety of herbs and spices along with salt for flavor. Now this is a hot tip. Piercing the meat is more tenderizing than marinades. Don't skip it. Marinate in the fridge for no more than 24 hours. Or, to prep ahead, freeze beef in the marinade and it will do its magic as it thaws. Want to use the marinade as a dipping or basting sauce? Boil it for a couple of minutes and you are good to go. Cook your meat as you normally would. You can always use an instant digital read thermometer to cook it to your preferred doneness. Don't forget to rest your meat. Now, by employing these few basic tips, you're ensured a tender bite of beef every time.